What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is the first official day of Sema. As you can see, my number one question I get is this open to the public? And everything outside here is. So if you guys want to, or you're in the Vegas area and you want to come and check out my truck, it is sitting and parked out front of the South Hall here. So if you're in the Vegas area or near, you can drive here and you can see everything outside. But my truck is here, and this is in fact the first official day of Sema. It's absolutely insane here. And I actually finally get to check out all the builds and everything here, all the other builders and just everything. It's gonna be awesome. But oh, it looks so good, and I'm so proud and so happy that we're here and it's on display for everybody to see. Oh, Ben, where are you at? I know you're coming tomorrow, but what size tires are these? This is exactly what your Jeep would look like on 40s. After you step up from them 38s, this thing looks awesome actually. It's actually perfect height. Might be the same height as yours, but just some bigger tires. Real clean.
How are we feeling today?
Fantastic.
Hot and sweaty.
Hot and sweaty.
Hot and sweaty.
Wow.
I absolutely love these OBS trucks, but that suspension and frame is crazy. Oh my gosh, I got literally a custom frame even. I got the plates on it. That's insane. Oh, that's like fully done. What are those, 30s? And 44s. Oh my goodness, that thing's huge. Look at this second gen too. Oh, is that neat? Those 28s are 30s, 28s and 42s. Wow. So if you remember my first day here, here is all of like the display wheels that were in those boxes, but some of these are neat. Like, yeah, like this teal milk. Oh yeah, we're gonna check out those green ones down there. Oh yeah. That's probably the whatever powder that matches my truck. Full green, I don't know. I like my offset color when I do the purple. All right, guys, here's Bug BMX's truck, but at the same time, I absolutely love his powder coating color choice. Like, you don't see that copper and teal like that, especially go with the wrap. Oh, this thing turned out killer, actually. Turned out absolutely killer. It looks so good. I love how he wrapped just the end of the mirror too. Oh, that's super clean. Good job. Katie says I need it. I don't know. I don't know about that one. However, these are a little bit more my speed. I've always wanted one. They're just so different, sleek and clean, and just, oh, I just always wanted a slingshot. So that might be in the books for sometime next year. Maybe. I've always wanted one. All right, this is absolutely ridiculous. With a striker design, oh my goodness. Dualies just here look so nice. It's really making me want one so bad. They just look so clean and nice. You don't even need to do something crazy to them. Just like a simple, I mean, there's obviously airbags up here, but a simple level and some wheels and tires. And you can have an awesome looking dually with some stands. Next thing here is these 5th gens are really incredible, and they're really getting me excited because these things look awesome.
It's amazing.
I know. I really want a 5th gen so bad. These things look stupid good. But oh, this height is actually awesome. This is kind of ridiculous. These things are 44s too. Yeah, these are 44s on 28s. But this is huge. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at this. It got the 360 camera and everything.
I was trying to get out of the shot.
That looks super clean too. Whoa.
What's up, man? What's up, guys? After all this time of blowing your phone up, you finally answered and showed the
Yeah, we went to the casino last night for like 20 minutes and we fell asleep. We were so exhausted.
I figured so. That's why I didn't even bother. I was like, dude, we were here till 2 o'clock in the morning finishing Aaron's truck.
How does that make you feel?
Oh, come on now. You're taking the competition. You gotta drink rain. Dude, I'm dying right now. I'm running off a lot of Monster and just being in the game, that's all. It sucks, but opportunities present itself. You gotta do it. I don't know. I'll be here all day.
All right, we'll be around.
All
right, guys, this is incredible. Here's the first any level lift on a Ram, and obviously it's a 5th gen, but holy crap! This gets me thinking. The first one, because they only should do Fords, but look at this, guys. Oh man, that looks awesome actually. Install doesn't look too bad either. Looks pretty simple. This thing is, so here's the thing. This is, what I'm telling them is this is the first any level lift. So they only used to do it to Fords. But what this is literally this can suck all the way down to like no height at all. And go all the way up. Install doesn't look half bad either. I'm gonna check out the rear. I'm gonna be honest, the install looks pretty darn simple. I can't believe this. Obviously you're removing a lot, but it also looks pretty simple to do. This is why I don't like Sema. Gets my mind turning too much. Guys, my dream has come true. 42 1550 R26 Toyo Open Country MTs. I definitely need a set. Definitely need a set. All right, so you know what sucks? Me and Ben had this exact idea. Islander Jeep with the bikini color, orange and that kind of suspension. I think they're missing one thing though. 100%, they don't have the tan interior. That's what's crazy. Me and Ben had this exact idea and somebody did it. That's why you gotta act on ideas when you have them. Oh, but it looks really good. Holy crap, talking about a long wheelbase on this thing. 6-door flatbed. Yeah, 6-door flatbed. 6-door flatbed with 2 skis. This thing looks sharp. Oh, but guys, another 5th gen. Is this this is the welding rig you were talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, this thing looks sick. Oh, it looks so good. It's really making me want a 5th gen, actually. I know, guys, I can't walk but 3 more feet without seeing an awesome 5th gen, especially the dually. Oh my goodness. This thing's got me so tempted. Oh, this looks so good. This looks so good. I would totally drive this. What are these? 40 1350s. I think these are 40 1350s. 40 1350s, yeah. Oh my goodness. This looks so good. Okay, another like 3 foot. Look at this. Look at this color scheme. Oh, that looks so good. That's an. It's just obviously you guys know my green taste, but like, that looks awesome.
Oh, 1 sec.
Let's give Zach a hip hip! Hip hip!
Alright guys, we're literally eating lunch right now, but we have the perfect view of my truck. It's actually, we saw this like from the outside the other day, but it's super sweet that everyone's eating lunch right now and they can just look at my truck the whole time. This is actually impressive. Not only is this a, you know, an old Jeep, but look at this. They put a Hellcat motor in it. Oh, is that nuts? Here's the Diesel Brothers truck. They're 6x6 they put on tracks, which is quite impressive actually. Super neat and different. This Army Green Ram too. I mean, obviously it's wrapped, but that's kind of clean. I know, look at this green on this Ranger. Not only that, look at the green on this Jeep. I think there's green back here too. It's a new popular color, guys. Clean green. I kind of like this actually. Here's that Tundra that was in the California wildfires. That's absolutely insane seeing this thing in person. It did some serious damage. And then clearly, obviously, they did this and Toyota replaced it with this, which is super cool of them. But, wow. Ooh.
But also,
Sparkly.
oh, love that.
It's called like lime or something. Solitone, no, GoDaddy green this time. Guys, doesn't this color look awfully familiar? Awfully familiar. Look at that. Did enough of that in the basement. Oh, that is it. Hold it up. Like, take it this way. Oh, it is close. Hold on. Well, that's about right.
It's a little lighter. Maybe there's this one too.
This is what my buddy said he uses, and it matches almost exact. But it's a solid tone, which would be sweet. I gotta do it twice. All right, guys, we're in front of the Banks Power booth, and they have a lot of new products coming out. And the best part I like about Banks Power is they actually have their proven results for the products they have up against the competition and everything. Intercoolers, they got monster exhaust systems for diesel engines. They got it all, and they have their iDash. So when we get back home, we're gonna pretty much outfit my truck with all of the Bank stuff. But no, I would just say I always like the proven results and how you guys show the against the competition, how stuff like your products actually make a difference.
Well, I'm a racer. If you know your competition, then you know what you have to do to win. Turns out that the racing mentality works pretty good. Kind of building engines with other guys' parts.
Yeah.
About 1961 or so, I started making parts. Now, we got a lot of diesel stuff here today. In the 60s, we were about 15 years into turbocharging.
Yeah.
When I did my first diesel project in 1978.
Yeah.
So, but turbocharging and diesel is a marriage made in heaven.
Oh yeah.
If you got a diesel engine today, and I got a lawn tractor and a wood chipper with 3-cylinder unturboed engines, and I'm embarrassed to even tell you that.
Yeah.
But we have found using our iDash data monster, it's a 6-foot one on the wall over there. The data monster is a data logger and reads some stuff that's real new. One thing we've discovered, intercoolers properly done will make equal horsepower to the turbocharger.
Yeah.
Sometimes more. So how do you read that? Well, that instrument reads intercooler efficiency. The flow bench doesn't tell you a thing about heat rejection.
Yeah.
So it gives you what's called effectiveness, which is the heat recovery. How good is it? Just that. But completely new is intercooler efficiency. Nobody's ever read that. It'll tell you how much of the horsepower came from the ambient air.
Yeah.
How much horsepower was added by the turbo or supercharging, and how much horsepower was added by the intercooler.
Right.
That's magic stuff to know.
I know. I said that's some
really
serious
is.
stuff.
I'm still buzzed over it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm writing a whole bunch of patent applications because there's like 18 new things we're reading with that no gauge has ever read before.
You know, that's what he was saying earlier. I said you go so deep.
Here's the bottom line, though. I developed all these new readings and calculations because it was stuff we were doing on paper or on a hand calculator. You know, the stuff we wanted to know. I just integrated it into the iDash line of instruments. You're going to find, I mean, anybody who's in this, whether you're an amateur, running out of your garage, or you're running a big pro operation, racing or whatever, that thing is money. The data is the proof. Marketing guys who, you know, it's all puff, or they pull the power increase out of their ear. It's actually, they pull it out of somewhere else. You can't say it.
Exactly.
And they put it on paper. It's like all my cold air intakes make 25 more horsepower. All of them? Every one of them? Mine don't. You know, they make different powers on different
applications.
How much? It really comes down to this. When it comes to designing your truck, the OEMs eat the cake. We eat the crumbs. You know? So you got different opportunities with different vehicles. And the OEs keep getting better at it, but with instrumentation and data logging, we're getting better at it. So it's $399 for that thing. The Data Monster version of that.
That's awesome.
So you can't buy a 100-channel data logger
for that.
For 4 times that. I mean, just I've always looked at it this way. I claim not the highest power and torque that I see. We'll run a bunch of runs and average it. So I know there's other guys with dynos. There's other guys with flow benches. If I lie about it, somebody's going to out me. And with social media, it's a way bigger issue if you're screwing people. So treat it honestly. But man, using that little tool, we have got all kinds of neat stuff coming. Sometimes I need a real good beta. You know what I'm saying? Somebody will feedback and say, you did this wrong. I want to hear that as much as I want to hear
good stuff.
Oh yeah, I need somebody to bust my chops.
Okay. All right.
I try not to. But my wife will tell you I do a lot of shit wrong. I hope she's not watching this.
All right, guys. So like you heard, it literally the proof. That's why I love Banks products. Is like the proof. They prove to you that their stuff works and the actual results. So when we get back, we're gonna be outfitting my truck with a lot more Banks parts. I know I already got the diff cover, boost tubes, and ram air, but we're gonna get all their new stuff on there, and we'll be able to show you guys the actual results and the proof that their products work. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much day one here at Sema. This convention's huge. They're all tired. I knew it would happen. I'm exhausted too. It's so large. I know all of you are like, for people who can't come, you don't understand how big this place actually is in the show. It's just massive. I didn't even get to half or a quarter, probably, even of all the stuff here. So, whew, I'll just be back tomorrow and do it all over again.